Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac on macOS Ventura, version 13, and macOS Sonoma, version 14, or later. First, ensure that you have an active subscription in your Bitdefender user account. If you need help, check out our video on how to activate your Bitdefender subscription. Now, let's get started. On the Mac you want to protect, go to central.bitdefender.com. and sign in with your Bitdefender Central account email and password. Once you log in, click the Install Bitdefender Products button. A window will pop up, displaying all the products that are part of your Bitdefender subscription. Within this window, press the Install button located in the Security panel. Then, choose Download to save the Bitdefender installation kit to your Mac. Let's proceed with the installation. Once the download is ready, double-click the file you've just saved to begin the installation. Allow, if prompted. Click on Continue to begin the installation. Click Agree, after you read the terms presented in the subscription agreement. Choose Install. Enter your Mac password, then click on Install Software. Click on OK. A pop-up about downloading antivirus for Mac will shortly appear on your screen. Let it run. Wait until the System Extension Blocked message appears. It's not an error. Click the Open System Settings button to continue the Bitdefender installation. The Privacy and Security window will open. Scroll down to the Security section and then press the Allow button. Enter your Mac password, then click Unlock. While you're still in the Privacy and Security window, scroll upward and then click on Full Disk Access. Full Disk Access feature is much like a security check at an airport. To grant access to Bitdefender, enable these two items: Bitdefender and Antivirus for Mac. Press Quit and reopen. Then, restart your Mac to complete the setup. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. If you have a multi-device subscription, be sure to watch our other videos for instructions on how to install Bitdefender on Windows, Android, and iOS. Next, let's take a quick tour of Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac. To access the Bitdefender interface, click on the B icon located in the menu bar, and then select Open Antivirus Interface. This is the dashboard. The color of this shield indicates your system's security status. If everything is okay, the shield is green. When an issue is detected, the shield turns red. To discover all the remarkable Bitdefender features, access the menu on the left-hand side. Protection. You can run a quick scan, complete system scan, custom scan, view quarantined files, and set exceptions. All in one place, the antivirus module. Web protection. Activate Traffic Light to be safe on the internet. Traffic Light is a browser extension available for Safari, Firefox, and Chrome. Anti-ransomware. Here you can protect important files from ransomware attacks, and secure your Time Machine backups. Turn on Safe Files to prevent ransomware from encrypting your documents, pictures, and other important files. Dashboard. Simply follow the recommendations showed here to fix any security issue. It appears that the Traffic Light extension is not currently installed in Safari. Let's tackle that issue immediately. Click Install. Alternatively, you can go to Protection, select the Web Protection tab, and then click on Enable Extension next to Safari. Safari extensions will pop up. Check the Traffic Light box. Choose Turn On, if prompted. While we're here, let's enable Anti-Tracker as well. This Bitdefender extension prevents trackers that gather your browsing data and also speeds up web page loading. Close Safari extensions, then select Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac again. Traffic light is now installed and enabled. Now, let's explore the privacy features in the menu located on the left side. The VPN masks your IP and encrypts internet traffic. Remember we activated the Anti-Tracker extension earlier? You can find it here. In the Privacy section, the Anti-Tracker tab. Notifications. Whenever an event related to your system's security occurs, a new message is appended here. Just like when a new email shows up in your inbox. Click on any notification to learn more. My account. Here you can check the validity of your subscription and access your Bitdefender Central account. Preferences. This is where you can customize your Bitdefender settings. Help. Here you can read the user's manual, explore knowledge base articles and videos, or get in touch with Bitdefender support. Thanks for watching and for choosing Bitdefender as your security solution. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender Support Center.